Hello friends, welcome to Lucky Gate. This is a question asked in GATE 2016 for 2 marks from the subject compiler design. Here the question given is operators and their precedence and its associativity, and its RET is given, means is it binary operator or unary operator is mentioned. The value of the expression 2 minus 5 plus 1 minus 7 star 3 in this language is. Now what is the value of this expression according to the rules of some programming language? Now the rules of programming language says plus is having higher precedence, then medium minus, then low star, and plus and star is having left associativity, minus is right associativity. Now when expression is to be evaluated, always it is going to evaluate the higher precedence operator first. Then it is going to evaluate the lower precedence operators. If more than one operator in the expression of same precedence is available, then this is going to be evaluated based on the associativity of the operators. Okay, these 3 points we have to consider. It means, suppose an example 3 star 5 plus 1. According to BODMAS rule, 3 star 5 15 plus 1, it is going to be 16. Okay. Now suppose 3 plus 2 plus 1 is there. Now expression evaluation you know, right? But how this is to be evaluated by the computer? Now this expression is having 2 plus operators. When more than one operator with same precedence are there, it is to evaluate based on the associativity. Now which operator is to be evaluated first by the computer? Now according to BODMAS rule, plus is having left associativity. Because plus is having left associativity, now left side plus is going to be evaluated first, that is 3 plus 2 5, then plus 1, then it is going to become 6. So observe friends, highest precedence operator is going to be evaluated first, lowest precedence operator is going to be evaluated next. If more than one operator of same precedence is there, it is going to be evaluated according to its associativity. Now we will see what is the value of this expression according to the precedence and associativity of some programming language that is given. Now coming to the expression 2 minus 5 plus 1 minus 7 star 3. Which is the highest precedence operator? Plus is highest precedence operator. This is the first precedence is given. Now it has to perform plus first. Now plus is there between 5 and 1. Now 2 minus 5 plus 1 is 6 minus 7 star 3. This is output of the first iteration. Now check for the second one. Plus operator is evaluated. Next precedence is given to minus. Now friends, observe there are 2 minuses in the expression. Because there are 2 minuses in the expression, then it is to be evaluated based on the associativity. What is associativity of minus? That is a right associativity. It means right side minus is going to be evaluated first. This one is going to be evaluated first. It means 2 minus 6 minus 7, that is minus 1 into 3. Next again minus 2 minus of minus 1 3 into 3. Now minus is completely evaluated. The last precedence is star. Now 3 star 3 9. Now 9 is the answer for the question. This is one way of solving. According to the concept of compilers, this expression has to be converted into expression tree. Now observe friends, which is performed last, 3 star 3 is performed last. Why? Because star is having least precedence, so that multiplication is done lastly. So that if I want to convert this expression into expression tree, so the least precedence operator should be appeared at the top of the tree, this one. Now to the right of star we have 3, we can take it. To the left of star we have this complete expression. In this complete expression again we have to decide it. Now whichever is having the least precedence, that is going to appear in the top. Now next least precedence is given to minus. Now we have two minuses. Now we should understand which minus should come should come on the top of the tree. Now observe from the expression evaluation, you check 6 minus 7 is performed first. Why second minus is evaluated? Because associativity is right associativity. Because it is right associativity, it is to be evaluated first. This is to be evaluated next. Means among the two, this is to be last evaluation. This is to be first evaluation among these two only. Because it is a last evaluation always be on top, so that the left subtree of this star is minus. To the minus, its left is 2. Its right is this second minus. Now for the second minus, its right is 7. Its left is this complete 5 plus 1. In that 5 plus 1, plus is an operator, left is 5 and right is 1. Now this is an expression tree for the expression given. Now here I considered only simple rules. If it is a least precedence operator, it should come onto the top, because it is going to be evaluated last. If it is left associative, so that rightmost operator is to be appeared on the top. If it is right associative, leftmost operator should be appeared on the top. Why? Because in the expression 2 minus 5 plus 1 minus 7. Now because minus is given right associativity, means rightmost one to be evaluated first, means it should be in the bottom of the tree. This operator should be on the top of the tree. That care we have taken while constructing the expression into expression tree. Now you evaluate this expression tree so that you will get the same answer. Now look, 5 plus 1, this is 6. Now 6 minus 7, this is minus. 2 minus of minus 1, that is 3. Now 3 into 3, 9. You are going to get the same answer. Because for the sake of answer, I suggest you evaluate in this way. But according to the concept, you have to evaluate by constructing a tree and evaluate the tree. This is a question asked in GATE 2016 for 2 marks. And the answer for the question is 9. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.